elephant. Elephant. A, B, C, D, E. Say it with me. A, B, C, D, E. Yay, yay, yay. F is for fish. F, fish. F is for fish. F, fish. G is for goat. G, goat. G is for goat. G, goat. H is for hat. H, hat. H is for hat. H, hat. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. J is for juice. J, juice. J is for juice. J, juice. F, G, H, I, J. Clap with me. F, G, H, I, J. Yay, yay, yay. K is for kite. K, kite. K is for kite. K, kite. L is for lion. L, lion. L is for lion. L, lion. M is for monkey. M, monkey. M is for monkey. M, monkey. N is for nest. N, nest. N is for nest. N, nest. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for orange. O, orange. K, L, M, N, O. Sing it slow. K, L, M, N, O. Yay, yay, yay. P is for parrot. P, parrot. P is for parrot. P, parrot. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Q is for queen. Q, queen. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. R is for rabbit. R, rabbit. S is for sun. S, sun. S is for sun. S, sun. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T is for tiger. T, tiger. P, Q, R, S, T. Come with me. P, Q, R, S, T. Yay, yay, yay. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. V is for van. V, van. V is for van. V, van. W is for watch. W, watch. W, watch. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yak. Y, yak. Y is for yak. Y, yak. U, V, W, X, Y. Reach the sky. U, V, W, X, Y. Yay, yay, yay. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We learned our ABC. Great job, everyone. You're amazing. See you next time. Splish, splash, splish, splash, bath time fun. Scrub, scrub, scrub till the day is done. Splish, splash, splish, splash in the tub. Rub-a-dub-dub, give yourself a rub. Turn the tap and fill it up. Give yourself a rub. Splish, splash, splish, splash, bedtime fun. Splish, splash, splish, splash, everyone. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splash in the tub. Yeah! Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Indian General Knowledge. Which is the national bird of India?
Peacock. Peacock.
Which is the national animal of India?
Tiger. Tiger.
Which is the national flag of India?
Tiranga. Tiranga.
Which is the national flower of India?
Lotus. Lotus.
Which is the national game of India?
Hockey. Hockey.
Thank you for watching.